10 plants that never need fertilizer to thrive. Blanket flower, a prairie native that thrives in sunny, lean soils with deep taproots, needing no fertilizer, attracting pollinators, and benefiting from deadheading and occasional division. Sedum, a drought-tolerant succulent from rocky slopes that stores resources, thrives in poor soils, blooms in late summer for pollinators, and needs good drainage and periodic division. Russian sage, a heat-loving Central Asian perennial with silvery foliage and deep roots that thrives in poor soils, attracts pollinators, and benefits from spring pruning. Yarrow, a tough meadow native that tolerates drought and lean soils, attracts beneficial insects, spreads slowly by rhizomes, and stays tidy with sheared spent blooms. Coneflower, a sun-loving prairie perennial with deep taproots whose iconic blooms feed pollinators, seed heads support birds, and clumps benefit from periodic division. Ice plant, a South African succulent suited to stony, nutrient-poor sites, producing sun-loving blooms for bees, and requiring sharp drainage, no fertilizer, and occasional deadheading. Lavender, a Mediterranean shrub thriving in sunny, rocky, alkaline soils, with fragrant pollinator-attracting blooms and minimal care beyond post-flowering trimming. Coreopsis, a cheerful prairie native for sunny, sandy soils that attracts pollinators, self-seeds lightly, and needs no fertilizer beyond occasional shearing of spent flowers. Lamb's ear, a silvery velvety ground cover forming moisture-saving mats that thrives without feeding, attracts beneficial insects, and stays neat with light grooming and division. Daylily, a reliable perennial that thrives in well-drained soils without fertilizer, producing trumpet blooms for pollinators and staying vigorous with periodic clump division.